Morning. Starting to get daylight outside. Look at that frame all shiny wheels. Once I get them caps on there, them wheels are gonna spark. But got the new fenders in, I got the new mud flaps in. I'm waiting for the wheel covers. They'll be in tomorrow. So I just took the step off. I'm gonna buff this out, pieces of it anyway. But I'm getting ready to start the tank. I'm gonna get the tank done. I'm gonna get this side done first. So I got the tank, I'm gonna hit some of this, and I got the battery box. While it's off, I'm gonna buffer out the best I can. I'm sure it's not gonna be professional because I'm not a professional buffer. But yeah, I'll show you this frame. My brother, he did a good job. That bad boy is shiny. I think it looks really good. Great job, Rizzo. So I'm gonna start buffing this stuff right here out. I'm thinking about hitting the side of this too. Just shine her up just a fraction. And I'm gonna get one side completely done. And then I got the tank on the other side. I'm gonna knock that bad boy out. So that's the plan for today. Good morning. Today is the day we get the Peterbilt done, the new Peterbilt. And I see my brother went shopping yesterday. Got some new air hoses for the shop, new fittings. Look at that boy. So yesterday we got her waxed, got everything completely buffed out on her. We put new air dry filter on her, new quarter fenders, and what I really like is we put here's the old mud flap brackets. Right there, or junk. So we put new ones on her and they look sharp. I like them. So I got some little things here and there to do to it, and then we're going to pull it out in the sun and we'll do a little video of it and see what you guys think. I'm very pleased with this truck. I mean, this is a nice day cab, really nice. Wish I had 4 more and didn't have any of them. Right there. $70,000. We got 2 97s and 1 2000. If anybody wants one, they're $70,000 a piece. All right, so we just got her done. And she's quiet too. Nice big catwalk. Everything is painted. She's got new brakes all the way around her. Brand new tires. Mud flaps, fenders, hubcaps, serviced. Here's the brakes. Brand new. Painted frame. She really came out good, really good. If anybody wants her, hit me up. Here's the cab. I'll show you the cab of her. Very clean cab. Power windows, locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors. Changed all the info. No warnings, no faults. It's really almost 10 mile an hour. That's just because I started up, moved it out of the shop. Good visibility. Clean. Everything is clean inside. She's got your don't fifth wheel, your inner axle lock. Really clean. She's got 3 windows in the back. You can see good out the back of her. Really nice. Nothing's broke, busted. Really clean. Truck is done, all buffed out, cleaned up, frame painted, new quarter fenders, new mud flaps, new brakes, new hubcaps, wheels are buffed. She's ready to go, let me know. On both sides of the runway. I don't really want to pull an ear off and waste it. Then it just lays around and never gets in the combine. So it don't look too bad considering the rain that we've had. I'll check the other side and we'll go check some 105 day corn. They had the airplane here yesterday. They were putting, I guess they were either spraying fungicide or cover crop. I wasn't sure what they were doing, but we saw them laying here. Went to the other side and check this corn out. So you're seeing it with me. 108 day seed consultant. Yeah, a little spot for the disease or insect. But overall, filled all the way out to the top. Ears look really good considering 2 months no rain. Hey, that looks good. Could check some 105 day out and see what that looks like. Normally I'd like to plan all late season corn, long season, 112 day on up. We do have a bunch of 115 day planned this year, but that 108 day yields as good or if not better than the long season. That's a proven winner right there. This is the third year planted. It's 1087 seed consultant. Our early season is starting to turn a little bit. 105 day stuff is starting to turn. Let's look at this 109 day. I haven't even looked at this yet. We'll just do a ear right here on the end. This is a new number. And if you look at it, filled all the way to the top, it looks pretty daggone good. So that seems to be doing okay. Let's check some 105 day out. Now this was an early planted corn. I didn't think it was going to make it, because this was definitely hurt by the drought. But got a little insect pressure. Still a nice looking ear though. Let's see if it all has that. It's definitely hurt by the drought. Definitely some insect pressure. We'll go check a field out. This corn right here is it's starting to turn brown. So it's getting just, it's a little bit more insect pressure and some disease. So the early stuff really got affected by, I did 3 fields here early, and it really got affected by the drought. Even though there's nice sized ears there, I don't think it's going to have the test weight that the later stuff has on it. But as you can see, it really starting to turn brown. She's starting to get turned, and starting to die down pretty good. Now our best corn is the later planting. Normally every year, the earlier stuff we plant does better because the drought always hits us later after the early stuff is pollinated good. But this year, the drought came early. I still think we're going to do 160, 170 early, but our later corn, that's later corn, and everything across the hill later. Just about everything other than these 5 fields. Our later corn, I did like 4 different. I did 3 fields here, 1 field on another farm, and then 1 field on another farm other than that of the early stuff. And man, we just got 1 rain in that time period. It would have made a big difference, but we didn't. That's farming. Definitely need pivots. Pivots are definitely the way to go, because I would fungicide to a whole lot of different stuff. So there's the new Peterbilt. Very excited. Let's check this other field out. Alright, now I did put some fungicide and some sugars on this. So we'll see what the fungicide did for it anyway. Get in here a little bit. This is early. It was hurt by the drought, I feel a little bit. So we'll just see what it looks like. Definitely looks healthier. It's got a little bit of tip back on the top, but looks good. It's getting really dry. I mean, really freaking dry. I think the ear's going to out dry the stalk down. Honestly, is what I think is going to happen. But I hate walking through cornfields. I despise walking through a cornfield. Yeah, fungicide definitely helped. I mean, nice looking ear, no disease trouble. Got a little bit of tip back right here on the very tip, but not much. But still good looking ears in here. So pretty happy about that. The fungicide is going to keep it green a little bit longer. But this right here was kind of like a little test field. If we could have got rain, just one rain. I know I've said it a million times, but it would have definitely made a difference. Spider webs, I despise it. But when corn's $3.80 anyway, what's it matter, right? Let's check out some of this decob 115-day corn. This right here is some pretty damn corn. Really pretty this year. It was later planted, caught the rains just right. I'm not walking through that jungle. Here, let's see what it looks like. Really fat, long ears. Yep, I think that's gonna be the, look at that here. That 115-day decob, that's gonna be the, that's definitely gonna be the winner this year. I mean, they're all like that. Yeah, that is gonna be they're brute years this year. I'll give it to decob. Should have planted all that at the same exact time as every other farm. That's nice looking ears right there. We'll see how it goes, but I think that I can't wait to see what the 115-day seed consultant is. I got them both planted side by side on one farm. See what they do, but that's gonna be nice. Corn back here is looking really good. Nice, tall, even stand. Look at that. Big ears. Should see deer damage once we get around this corner up here. This farm is probably a mile or so back, and there's about 5,000 acres of pine thicket behind it, going all the way through to some of our other farms. But you can see it's a little bit thinner here where the deer have come through, but I tell you, the stand's a lot better than it normally is. Back here, I mean, it's just deer heaven back here. This little field in the back, we plant it, but they end up eating it up, mowing it down, but we still try to plant it, keep it sprayed and everything else. But damn, there's corn there too. You see where they've eaten this in, out. That's the best, that little field. You see where they've ate that and the grass is taking over, but that's the best that field's ever looked at corn. That is normally mowed down. Doesn't matter if you put corn, soybeans there, they mow it down to this. But they haven't done it this year. Wow. Right here in this corner they have a little bit. This whole back field is nothing but, we just call it the deer field. It's probably 27, 30 acres, something like that. And no matter what you do, they mow it down, but damn, it looks pretty good this year. A couple spots right there. Major sandhill right here, and I can't believe that the corn's growing on it. I selected this 108-day seed consultant. Now look, you see this big tall sandhill right here? Now this is what I like about this corn. On really good ground, it's really good, and on really sandy ground, I mean, this is just pure white sand, beach sand. And this is what the ears look like. Look at that. In a drought, no rain, that corn on a sand hill, see the white sand? It's like beach sand. And the stand is tall all the way over this hill. Look at that. I mean, it's all the way to the end. That's a nice looking ear on a, I mean, it's just pure sand. Normally you get ears this big on a sand hill. This is crazy. Normally this right here is just flat, just nothing. I mean, you can see where it goes up and down. And then you can see where it drops down back there on the good ground. That it's 1087 sea consult on sand. That is a winning, I mean, for sand, dry as heck or good ground, it grows. And that's why the first year we planted it, we had a drought. And I think that stuff went like 189 bushels on a really bad drought year. Every other corn went like 120, 140. This corn right here outperformed everything, and that's why I planted it. Going up the sand hill, you'll see where it drops down. Now here's where the deer have really ate. Look where they've eaten the corn down to nothing right here. Just ate it down. They come off of these hills and that road right there, and they come out and just munch and munch and munch. Now we're getting ready to come up on another big sand hill up here. You can see it, how it goes up. We'll see how the corn does there. But so far, up against these woods, I'm happy to see where they've eaten some of it. This is a brutal sand hill right here too. I'm sure they've been out here eating it. So right here, you can see where the drought has really got it. Now look at the damn deer trail. Look at that. That's pretty much a deer trail right there, all the way down the whole edge. And they've been all out here mowing it down right in this spot, but you can see where it's still up on the hill, and we still have good corn out from where they've ate it at. But look at that deer. That is just a solid deer trail all the way down this field, all in there. That is crazy. And then there's 115 day all up there and all over there. Just saying, if the tunnel collapsed, we could get it on video. Huh? Scaring you? Alright, that was the first tunnel of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel in Virginia. Just come out of it, we're headed south. Me and my Miss Eastern Shore farmer over here. We're gonna go, she wanted to celebrate my birthday weekend. She loves me so much. Right, honey? That is the Chesapeake Bay. That you look on the map, that's the entrance. There's the ocean all the way out there. And right at that point is where all the aircraft carriers and Navy ships and everything come in. Right over there is where Norfolk Air Station is. You can see all the cranes up in the air and everything. And over there, that's where all the Navy ships are stored at on the East Coast. This is where all the odd number SEAL teams are stationed at, is on the East Coast. Let's see, it's odd over here and it's even on the West Coast.
Care right now. Put your hand on the steering wheel.
Oh, I got a hand on the steering wheel.
On the steering wheel.
Today on my birthday. Or you got it on record?
Yes, I have it on record.
All right, now this is the William Preston Lane Jr. tunnel. They call one tunnel Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, and this is the William I don't know if this guy died and he's buried in the tunnel, but you see they're building the second tunnel now, so there will be no more dual lane. Timble Shaw Channel Tunnel. On the other side it says it's the opposite though, I think. It's not too bad unless two trucks. I mean, your mirrors, boy. Can you imagine hitting mirrors going through here with the tractor trailers? You can't stop. Beef. Tell them where we're going for the birthday, honey.
Let's go to the melting pot.
No, then where? Don't talk to me, talk to them.
Then just Virginia Beach.
But we're going to just stay at a hotel, or we're going to the Funny Bone, and then tomorrow we're going to Williamsburg.
Well, I don't know if we're
And
going
it's
to
going to be
Williamsburg.
so romantic.
We'll see about being romantic.
Yeah, it depends on how many nights come here.
Alright.
But the bridge is, what they say this bridge is, 17 miles long. It's got two tunnels. I think it's 17 miles long is how long the bridge is. And just on the other side of it is Virginia Beach. And they're building, like I said, they're going to have two tunnels. That way you don't have to meet oncoming traffic anymore. Here, you can zoom in and show them Virginia Beach. People that's never seen it. You just spread it open. That's Virginia Beach.
Wow.
When you hear about people talking about Virginia Beach. And then over there,
This side really isn't that much. Oh, well, you really can't see anything because I'm hitting the road. You're seeing more of the road.
and then over there is Norfolk Naval Base. Way over there. You'll see all the cranes off of that point. That's where all the aircraft carriers are stored. The new Ford is stored on this side of the United States. But yeah, pretty cool.
Good thing you're not paying. Alright. This is making me nauseous.
Alright, we'll just stop it then.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye. So we just ate at the melting pot for the first time. I actually enjoyed it. But over that way right there is Naval Air Station Oceana. It's where all the fighter jets fly off the aircraft carrier when the carrier's coming back in, and they land there. And of course they've been flying all around. You can hear them real low, and then the minute we get out and I get my phone out, they stop flying. So, but it was pretty neat to see the F-18s zooming like just above the treetops, because they're landing right on the other side of them trees, and they were coming in, and they are loud. It was pretty neat. So we're gonna go to the hotel now. Hold on, I want to get this. We gotta push start.
Alright, here.
Yeah, naval ships are over there. Can't even see it really. Oh, there's another one right behind it coming in. Good Lord.
Over there. Probably should take my glasses off for this. Yeah, that's a little bit better.
You can go right over top of the cars. Hopefully they don't hit the fucking tunnel when we're stuck here.
Oh, please don't say that.
Oh, there's a military ship out there.
Wait a minute, I wanted to get him going. Well, kind of get him going over that. Well, it does. It looks like he's.
Going right through the street, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We must be going to build another tunnel and another bridge here. have carriers and shit over there. That's blocking our view right now. I've been this thing for years. Yeah, here, get him now. We're gonna go and he's gonna be right over top of us. Oh, he stopped. Stop. Hopefully, he don't hit it when we're going over top of it, honey. We're fucked. Damn, look at the back of it. Looks like he's rolling, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you know, right when we go in here, when he's gonna go over top. And container ships haven't been too bad. You know, they've been hitting bridges lately.
Shut up. This is pretty deep. This is steeper than going in the Chesapeake.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah, we got a great big fucking
Shut up.
container ship going over top of us. How lucky are we? Great.
It's just,
Well, anyway, if it hits us and we die, at least y'all got a video out of it. Somebody will
look,
find
and
it.
people are stopping. Go.
Somebody will find it.
Oh my God, why are people stopping?
I don't know. You start seeing a drip on your windshield.
Shut up.
You have to run. I wonder if it collapsed.
Oh my
If it would just
God.
push us out one.
Shut up. No, it's not. It's going to fall right on top of us.
Yeah, that would suck. I wonder how much concrete that is.
Why does this feel longer? Bay Bridge down.
Well, because this is a great big shipping area where all the carriers and everything else come in out of the port where they're in container ships. They probably got it wide enough so 2 ships can go through it. I wonder how deep it is. Oh, let's just make it out. Well, don't forget we
You
got to
know
come back
what?
to it though.
It's shorter too. That tunnel's shorter.
That tunnel's pretty long.
It is long.
Probably because you hear that thing going above it, you know, the screws and the propellers. Let's see what's on this side. Yeah, I ain't been through that thing in years. Oh, this shit. I mean, steady building stuff around here. See how they lay that bridge, they make it in sections and pull ahead and drop it.
Oh,
That's what that big long rail system's for. Oh well, we ain't getting no good pictures. Maybe on the way back we'll be able to see them.
well,
Alright, see you later. Alright, so we were in historic, what is it called again? Williamsburg? We got the boss lady there, and of course, we got a million shops that we gotta go walk into. And then on the way in, there was like 45 million old historic houses that apparently I'm gonna have to walk by. And you can't find anything to drink around here but water. No fountain sodas, no nothing. They got like weird coffee you can get. This is more like the upscale rich people that hang out here, I guess. But we went to Virginia Beach and this was only an hour away, so she wanted to go see all the history. So lucky me, I get to walk in. We've done walk down this side of the street, so now I get to walk in every boutique on that side of the street.